Hello and welcome to my channel. I thought we'd continue working on the big motor upgrade. We're getting closer on that drivetrain. Today we're going to do some more lathe work. I love lathe work. We need to turn this into a spacer 1 1/8 wide and a 1-inch hole through it. Then we have a piece that's about, I don't know, about 7/16 wide. We need to make that into a collar. Again, we need to put a 1-inch hole through it and then drill and tap a set screw hole. Maybe 2 set screw holes. Let's get into that. Okay, this is my larger spacer. It finishes at 1 1/8 wide or thick. And then I need to jam a 1-inch hole through it. Let's do this. Let's measure that. One inch, 172. That's about 45 thousandths. Measure it one more time. 1 inch 123. 2,000 off, which is fine. Okay, we need to pop that big hole in there. Had to get rid of that vibration, the vibration marks in there. It was making it jump all over. Starting to break out the other side. Whew! I wasn't sure I was going to make it at first. Okay, this is actually the last piece. Should drill a little bit easier. I might have to go from both sides only because this drill is going to hit those jaws. We'll see. We're going to have to turn this around. The spacer came out pretty good, or collar I should say. Let's go over to the mill and drill and tap a quick set screw hole. Let's do that. Okay, I literally just eyeballed where this thing is going to go. It really doesn't matter as long as there's a set screw close to the center of the part. Let's do this. Okay, that was a number 7 drill I put in there, and I'm just going to pop this tap in. Okay. I think that's going to be it for today. What we need to do is go look at what we accomplished. All right, my last 2 pieces. All right, this goes right on there, and that's going to go right up against the wall. This will be flush here. This we'll have a set screw and hold that in place. That will stop this unit from moving around. So I think this video is coming to an end. I'm going to call it a wrap, and until next time, enjoy.